Chapter 6. More on PowerPoint. About the chapter. Understanding slides and slide layouts. Customizing slide layouts. Using blank slides. Transition. PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft. It is included in the standard Office suite along with Microsoft Word and Excel. The software allows users to create anything from basic slideshows to complex presentation. Understanding slides and slide layouts. PowerPoint presentations are made up of a series of slides. Slides contain the information you will present to your audience. This might include text, pictures, and charts. Before you start creating presentations, you will need to know the basics of working with slides and slide layouts. When you insert a new slide, it will usually have placeholders. Placeholders can contain different types of content, including text and images. Some placeholders have placeholder text, which you can replace with your own text. Others have thumbnail icons that allow you to insert pictures, charts, and videos. Slides have different layouts for placeholders depending on the type of information you want to include. Whenever you create a new slide, you will need to choose a slide layout that fits your content. Quick fact: PowerPoint was originally developed just for the Apple Macintosh. To insert a new slide. Whenever you start a new presentation, it will contain one slide with the title slide layout. You can insert as many slides as you need from a variety of layouts. From the Home tab, click the bottom half of the New Slide command. Choose the desired slide layout from the menu that appears. The new slide will appear. Click any placeholder and begin typing to add text. You can also click an icon to add other types of content such as a picture or a chart. To change the layout of an existing slide, click the Layout command, then choose the desired layout. To quickly add a slide that uses the same layout as the selected slide, click the top half of the New Slide command. Organizing slides. PowerPoint presentation can contain as many slides as you need. The slide navigation pane makes it easy to organize your slides. From there, you can duplicate, rearrange, and delete slides in your presentation. Quick fact: there are more than 500 million users of PowerPoint worldwide. Customizing slides. To format the slide background, by default, all slides in your presentation use a white background. It's easy to change the background style for some or all of your slides. Backgrounds can have a solid gradient, pattern, or picture fill. Select the Design tab, then click the Format Background command. The Format Background pane will appear on the right. Select the desired fill options. For example, use a solid fill with a light gold color. The background style of the selected slide will update. If you want, you can click Apply to All to apply the same background style to all slides in your presentation. To apply a theme. A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects that can quickly change the look and feel of your entire slideshow. Different themes also use different slide layouts, which can change the arrangement of your existing placeholders. Select the Design tab on the ribbon, then click a More drop-down arrow to see all of the available themes. Select the desired theme. The theme will be applied to your entire presentation. Quick fact: the average PowerPoint slide includes 40 words. Customizing slide layouts. Sometimes you may find that a slide layout doesn't exactly fit your needs. For example, a layout might have too many or too few placeholders. You might also want to change how the placeholders are arranged on the slide. Fortunately, PowerPoint makes it easy to adjust slide layouts as needed. Adjusting placeholders. To select a placeholder, hover the mouse over the edge of the placeholder and click. You may need to click on the text in the placeholder first to see the border. A selected placeholder will have a solid line instead of a dotted line. To move a placeholder, select the placeholder, then click and drag it to the desired location. To resize a placeholder, select the placeholder you want to resize. Sizing handles will appear. Click and drag the sizing handles until the placeholder is of the desired size. You can use the corner sizing handles to change the placeholder's height and width at the same time. To delete a placeholder, select the placeholder you want to delete. Then press the delete or backspace key on your keyboard. To add a text box. Text can be inserted into both placeholders and text boxes. Inserting text boxes allow you to add to the slide layout. Unlike placeholders, text boxes always stay in the same place, even if you change the theme. From the Insert tab, select the text box command. Click, hold, and drag to draw the text box on the slide. The text box will appear. To add text, simply click the text box and begin typing. Using blank slides. If you want even more control over your content, you may prefer to use a blank slide, which contains no placeholders. Blank slides can be customized by adding your own text boxes, pictures, charts, and more. To insert a blank slide, click the bottom half of the New Slide command, then choose Blank from the menu that appears. Brain twister. To ensure that the audience is paying attention to you alone, hit the B key to send the screen to a complete blackout, or the W key to go to a whiteout. Then hit any key or click with the mouse to get back the slides. Quick fact: while blank slides offer more flexibility, keep in mind that you won't be able to take advantage of the pre-designed layouts included in each theme. To play the presentation. Once you have arranged your slides, you may want to play your presentation. This is how you will present your slideshow to an audience. Click the Start from Beginning command on the Quick Access toolbar to see your presentation. The presentation will appear in full screen mode. You can advance to the next slide by clicking your mouse or pressing the spacebar on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move forward or backward through the presentation. Press the Escape key to exit presentation mode. Quick fact: you can also press the F5 key on the top of your keyboard to start a presentation. Transitions. PowerPoint presentation has special effects between each slide called slide transitions. A transition can be as simple as fading to the next slide or as flashy as an eye-catching effect. PowerPoint makes it easy to apply transitions to some or all of your slides, giving your presentation a polished, professional look. There are 3 categories of unique transitions to choose from, all of which can be found on the Transitions tab. Subtle. These are the most basic types of transitions. They use simple animations to move between slides. Exciting. These use more complex animations to transition between slides. While they are more visually interesting than subtle transitions, adding too many can make your presentation look less professional. However, when used in moderation, they can add a nice touch between important slides. Dynamic content. If you are transitioning between two slides that use similar slide layouts, dynamic transitions will move only the placeholders, not the slides themselves. When used correctly, dynamic transitions can help unify your slides and add a further level of polish to your presentation. To apply a transition, select the desired slide from the slide navigation pane. This is the slide that will appear after the transition. Click the Transition tab, then locate the transition to this slide group. By default, none is applied to each slide. Brain twister. PowerPoint makes it easy to grab screenshots. On the Insert tab, click the screenshot icon and you will see a thumbnail of each of your currently open windows. Resize the window to show exactly what you want first. Then come back and select it. It will get dropped into the slide you are editing. Click the More drop-down arrow to display all transitions. Click a transition to apply it to the selected slide. This will automatically preview the transition. Quick fact. You can use the Apply to All command in the timing group to apply the same transition to all slides in your presentation. Keep in mind that this will modify any other transitions you have applied. To preview a transition, you can preview the transition for a selected slide at any time using either of these two methods. Click the Preview command on the Transition tab. Click the Play Animations command in the Slide Navigation pane. Let's recall. PowerPoint presentations are made up of a series of slides. Placeholders can contain different types of content, including text and images. Whenever you start a new presentation, it will contain one slide with the title slide layout. Using Slide Navigation pane, you can duplicate, rearrange, and delete slides in your presentation. By default, all slides in presentation use a white background. A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects that can quickly change the look and feel of your entire slideshow.